Hi, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. And today's question is, I think of it as kind of a trick question. It's, am I responsible for my spouse's happiness? So ultimately, the answer is a solid no. You are not responsible for their happiness because they have free will. They are responsible for being happy themselves no matter how you behave. But then we come into the part about how you behave. Because what you are responsible for is treating them in a way that makes them feel loved. The whole premise of marriage is based on learning how to love your spouse unconditionally. That's the whole deal. Because you want to experience unconditional love. You want to be happy. You won't be happy unless you're giving that love unconditionally without asking for anything in return. So it's a win-win. You want to give them things that make them happy, but they may choose to be unhappy anyway. They may decide to be miserable. Or they may ask you to do things that they think will make them happy but won't. It's not your job. But what is your job is to make yourself happy. But beyond that, your job is to control your mind enough so that you're contented. You're contented, you're living within your heart, and by living within your heart, you're putting out vibrations of joy, happiness, harmony, and that will make them happy, won't it? And if it won't, it's not on you. So it's not your goal to make them happy directly, although it's nice to want to. It is your job to make yourself happy. Now, you can't say to them, hey, I'm not here to make you happy. You can't do that because that's just being bad. That's not nice. You don't point out to them what their job is to make themselves happy. You can only point out to yourself that it's your job to make yourself happy. It's your job to do everything you can to create an environment for them that is harmonious and joyful, which means you have to make yourself happy. Wow, I hope this is not too confusing. But the bottom line is this. No, it's not your job to make them happy, but yes, you should do everything you can to make your environment wonderful so that they can easily be happy. Okay? Wow. For such a simple question, it's really a complicated topic. So if you have any comments, put it in there. It might be better for me to express some of this in writing anyway. All right, if you like this video, like it. I would like it just because it's kind of hysterical. And share it if you think it'll benefit others, and comment if you'd like. But blessings to you, blessings to your spouse, and blessings to your family. Thank you.